Guys, so today I'll be showing you how to use WhatsApp in dark mode on iOS and Android. So guys, those of you who have been using the real WhatsApp, the one which is not modified, you've not been able to use the WhatsApp dark mode on iPhone and Android or desktop. So today is what I'll be discussing with you here. So I'll be showing you how to enable WhatsApp dark mode on iPhone, Android or desktop. Using WhatsApp in dark mode changes the colors of the messaging app from white and green to more shades of black and gray. This produces less glare at night and makes WhatsApp more comfortable to use in low light conditions. So with upcoming phones such as the Pixel 6 and Pixel 6 Pro alongside the rumored iPhone 13 coming soon, you want to make sure WhatsApp looks at its best on your new upgraded device. So you guys, you have to be using this mode so that at least it can help you on your eyes and reduce the light and brightness of your WhatsApp when you're chatting, for example, like at night. Darker screens also use less power, particularly if your device has an AMOLED display as explained. So finally, it just looks cool and makes a refreshing change from all white interfaces. Before we had only white interfaces, you can't change backgrounds on WhatsApp. It's only few backgrounds. So now WhatsApp is busy releasing features that its users have long requested, such as archived chats and soon multiple device support. So soon we shall be getting WhatsApp on different devices. Like Facebook, you can log in from different devices, which is not with WhatsApp. So this is how you can access the WhatsApp dark mode on your Android device. If you have an Android device, this is what you're supposed to do. So you'll have to go and open the app menu, that is the WhatsApp menu. Then you'll tap on settings, tap on chats, then tap on themes, then select dark mode. So I'll give you an example of a modified WhatsApp. This is how you do it. I'll give you an example of a modified app, whereby an example of this modified WhatsApp. So if you tap on settings here and go to chats, this is where they will be adding that theme. As you can see here, when you tap here, you'll activate the dark mode. So already in the modified WhatsApp, it's already there. So when you tap on it, it changes automatically. So that's the dark mode we are trying to talk about, and other things which WhatsApp is trying to do. So if you are using your phone's system-wide dark mode to change the color of all your apps, picking system default will change WhatsApp's look to match. So WhatsApp dark mode for iPhone. Once you receive the latest update, activating WhatsApp dark mode is just as simple as it is on Android. Still the same procedures are the ones which you use to set it, whereby you'll open the app menu, tap on settings, tap on chats, then tap on theme and select dark mode. Again, you can also pick system default to make WhatsApp adopt to your phone's system-wide color scheme automatically. So that's all with the dark mode in the new WhatsApp, which is going to be introduced. So also WhatsApp dark mode for desktops will also be available. They will also give it an update. Already it is being developed. The dark mode, I'll show you some screenshots. These are the screenshots, how it looks like. Then for the desktop, it's also here. You can choose these hold colors to go with them. So this also helps to extend the battery life in WhatsApp. One of the main reasons you might want to try dark mode for WhatsApp is to extend battery life, but there are other ways to make the app less power hungry without making the switch. If you don't like WhatsApp's choice of colors for dark mode, you can make a few tweaks of your own to customize the look. Enter the app settings, select chats, tap on wallpaper, then choose solid colors and select something darker than the standard pale gray background. This won't change the color of the messaging bubbles, menus and other interface elements, but Google research has found that the blue pixel drains stably less power than other colors. So that's the research which was made. So if you want to customize, you can also go ahead to enter the app settings, select chats, tap on wallpaper, then choose the solid color and select something darker. So by default, WhatsApp will download a lot of files in the background, which can really drain your phone's battery. So you can also conserve power by opening WhatsApp settings and selecting data storage usage. Here you can choose when media should be downloaded, when you're using mobile data, when you are connected to Wi-Fi, and when you're roaming. If you turn these off, videos and images sent in messages will only be downloaded when you tap on them. Activating your phone's own power saving mode is also another way to make it last longer between changes, depending on which setting you choose. This may turn down the brightness of your screen, stop apps receiving data when they run in the background, and limit CPU speed. It's up to you whether you are willing to take the performance hit in order to extend your battery life. So guys, that's all I wanted to share with you about the new features of WhatsApp on how to use WhatsApp in dark mode on iOS and Android. So this one will help you to enable the dark mode on iPhone and Android or desktop. So by following these settings, opening the app menu, tapping on the settings, then chats and theme, then selecting the dark, you'll be able to change your theme so that you can benefit from it, as it will help you in a lot, as in battery drainage and other things like that. Thank you guys for watching. I'll leave you for now. Bye.